Hi, good morning, Benjamin. My name is Lori Muir. I'm here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. We wanted to thank you so much for your internet inquiry on the 2015 Hyundai Genesis. I have here the Casablanca White. This one has all three packages that Hyundai has to offer. It has Signature, Tech, and Ultimate package. It even has the heads-up display. Come on in and take a closer look. This one is very loaded out. You've got black leather interior, AM/FM XM touchscreen with backup camera, parking assist. You've got lane departure warning, haptic steering. It's going to let you know if you start getting out of the lines. It has lane keep assist. It'll even steer you back in there, as well as smart cruise. Vehicle is absolutely loaded. You'll get all of this in America's best warranty at 5 years, 60,000 miles on your new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 miles on your powertrain. But exclusively here at Tameron, we're going to double that warranty to 20 years and 200,000 miles just for you. So, and that's on every Hyundai that we have new in stock. Give me a call, Lori Muir, 380-6250. Let's set up a time for me to help you pick out just the right Genesis for you and your family.